Here's my 16-inch Signal table fan. I actually have had one of these on the channel, but this is a different one. This one still has the bullet on it. My other one didn't. My other one was like one of a few antique fans I got when I first started. Put a new head wire on it because it was gone. Or it was still there, but I just changed it out. Watts. See, the paint is in great shape, just needs to be dusted. And blades probably could use a paint job, but I'm selling this fan. So I just have too many projects, and I would love to keep this thing, but I'll find another one in the future. So I love the design too. And my other favorite style of this is the 16-inch overlapping blade version. That's the 50s. Or the 1930s mixer version. I also like the ones that have the chrome-plated blades. That's of this version. So, enough rambling. I'm pretty sure this is on high. Takes a little while to spin up. Heavy blade. These actually move a lot of air. They're pretty loud. Actually under spec, even for 120, which is good. I mean, considering how loud it is, it's really not that bad. Probably something you couldn't sleep to, but definitely not obnoxiously loud. So, I will oscillate it. I turn the oscillator on. I don't remember if this is the widest arc or not. Probably not. Definitely jolty. A good amount of air. Very powerful fan, even considering how much air movement is going on in here. And that the neck moving back and forth of the fan head is because there's a lot of air movement, and it's a little loose. See, like that. There's low. Actually, honestly, pretty usable on low. You could use this on low at night. Draws about the same as a Emerson 29648. Definitely not as loud. Definitely a little less air movement, but I mean, that is not bad at all. Even the freshened air's louder, and that thing's pretty quiet, so I I take that back. Definitely usable at night, although spin down is very long. I might cut it short, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of it. I don't know, these Signals must have really great bearings. So, awesome styling, love the base, and the front of it is my favorite. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.